Saweni Accounting, whose names appear on the list of the graduates who are not present today.
Postgraduate Diploma in Educational Leadership.
Shinal Monish.
Ritisha Pearl Chand. Kashika Anshita Drang. Maxon Vitigao. Raksha Maharaj. Then Basanga Vitonavi.
We are gathered here this morning to celebrate the success of the graduating students at this second graduation ceremony for Fiji for this year. At the December graduation last year, the university conferred degrees and on graduates only from the Yumanand Prasad School of Medicine. But this year, I am pleased to observe that this graduation ceremony now includes graduates from all the schools of studies. This has become necessary because of the rapid growth of enrollments at the university, as signaled in its strategic plan. Fiji has continued to grow at the annual rate of 30%, the target set by the Council this year. The student numbers at Fiji is around 2,000. It is heartening to note that the University of Fiji has been increasing the number of graduates every year, not just the number of enrollments. A clear measure of success for Fiji and any university as that is seeing enrolled students right through to graduation, ensuring that they complete their qualifications on time and leave the university ready to join the workforce and begin to contribute to society and the economy. Today, 68 students have graduated in a variety of fields. I sincerely congratulate you all. Most of you have found appropriate employment in the private and public sector. From this growth, both in enrollments and, importantly, in graduates, it is then clear that Fiji has created its own place amongst the 3 universities in the country, and its formula of providing quality yet affordable higher education to all students is proving popular. As I noted in my presentation at the April graduation ceremony for Fiji, the Fiji government, led by the recently elected Prime Minister, the Honorable Vorenke Bainimarama, has brought about an educational revolution, and the government's support, both through the Fiji Higher Education Commission's funding and the scholarships and loan scheme, has played a major part in Fiji's continued growth. You may have all noted that government continues to prioritize education with the allocation of one of the biggest portions of the 2015 budget, including the extension of the budget to cover preschooling in Fiji. Tertiary students can still enjoy the toppers and the tertiary education loan schemes. These inspirational moves by government have clearly resulted in a shift from educating solely the elite of society to providing access to higher education for the entire nation. Worldwide, the experience is that to become a knowledge-based society, governments need to invest in not just education, but higher education in particular. The Fiji government has honored that promise, and UniFiji is a crucial part of the government's plans to provide better opportunities for all our people. No longer will our citizens who are seeking knowledge, skills, and training be left behind because of economic disadvantage, a philosophy that the founders of this university have always held dear to their hearts. Many of today's graduates have already secured employment. Congratulations to you all. Of those who have not, I would like to urge you to be flexible about your career options. The Reserve Bank of Fiji has for some time stressed the importance on small and medium enterprises to the Fijian economy and the potential for this sector to produce more employment opportunities, including self-employment. I therefore challenge today's new graduates to seriously consider employment in this sector and self-employment. In the same way, I challenge the UniFiji management to put some emphasis in this area in their teaching. Our employment scheme is growing, but if we target some training towards the small and medium enterprises, then we can fill this area that has much potential for growth. Universities have a responsibility to educate and train its students to meet the needs and to change society for the better. Therefore, as your Chancellor, I implore the graduates and the UniFiji management to respond with vigor and patriotism to the challenges in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, let me once again warmly congratulate all the graduating students for your hard-earned achievements, which now set a firm foundation for your careers and your future. I wish you well in all your endeavors. Thank you. Vinaka Bakalevu, Shukriya, Bahut, Dynavad.